You work abroad, you earn in dollars, pounds, or dirhams, and you want a bank back home in India that actually understands your needs. That's exactly what Axis Bank promises with its NRI account. Easy remittances, high interest, and seamless international banking. But here's the catch. Every bank says that. So, is Axis Bank's NRI account truly the smartest way to manage your money between two countries? Or is it just another account filled with hidden fees and endless paperwork? Let's find out if Axis Bank NRI is really worth your time in 2026. I've spent the last 3 weeks comparing India's top NRI accounts from Axis, HDFC, IKEKI, and SBI. I analysed their exchange rates, minimum balance rules, remittance fees, and online banking experience. To make this fair, I opened a real Axis NRE account using their digital onboarding system, linked it with my US bank, and tested multiple transfers. I also reviewed the 2026 updates Axis made, including their new Global Indian app and the improved digital KYC process that claims to verify you in under 10 minutes. So here's what I discovered. Axis Bank's NRI account stands on 3 main promises. Claim Subte 1, fast and hassle-free onboarding. Axis says you can open an NRE or NRO account entirely online. No need to visit India, using their new eKYC process. Claim Sub 2, competitive exchange rates and zero-fee transfers. They promote low remittance fees and claim to offer market-linked exchange rates through Axis Remit and Wise partnerships. Claim number 3, full banking ecosystem access. Unlike smaller banks, Axis gives NRIs access to investments, fixed deposits, credit cards, and home loans, all linked to the same account. On paper, it sounds ideal for any expat or overseas worker, but are these benefits real when you test them in the wild? Account opening experience. Axis's 2026 onboarding is much faster than it used to be. I completed verification with passport, visa, and overseas address proof in under 15 minutes. However, final approval still took about 2 business days, not instant, as advertised. The process worked smoothly for major countries like the US and UK, but users from the Middle East reported delays and document rejections. Remittance and exchange rates. Axis integrates with Wise and Swift for money transfers. The exchange rate spread averaged around 0.9%, slightly better than SBI but higher than Wise direct transfers, 0.6%. Incoming transfers were credited within 24 hours, which is solid. However, if you use the Axis Remit Express app, you'll face a Rs 250 service fee after your first 3 transfers per month, something their marketing doesn't highlight clearly. Interest and account flexibility. NRE savings accounts earn around 4% interest, compounded quarterly, and you can open fixed deposits up to 7.25% for 1 year. That's competitive, but maintaining the R75,000 minimum balance can be inconvenient for smaller savers. The NRO account is ideal for managing Indian income, like rent or dividends, but you still need to handle the TDS, tax deducted at source, manually or via a CA. Customer service and app performance. The Axis Global Indian app feels modern and stable with biometric login and real-time transaction tracking. Customer support through chat was responsive, average wait time around 5 minutes, but the email support team often replied with canned responses and little clarity on technical issues. Investment and loan access. One clear advantage: Axis lets NRIs invest directly in mutual funds and apply for home loans in India through their portal. The integration is convenient, but approval times are still old school, 5 to 7 working days depending on your documents. Axis Bank's NRI account in 2026 strikes a balance between convenience and traditional banking reliability. It's perfect for professionals abroad who want a stable, well-regulated Indian bank with strong digital tools. The remittance speed, app design, and interest rates make it stand out, but the hidden transfer fees and balance requirements keep it from being the clear winner. If you want maximum value and transparency, you might prefer Wise or ICICI Global. But if you want a full-service Indian banking relationship that works across borders, Axis Bank is definitely worth your time. Just read the fine print before you start transferring.